Namaste to Guruji. Jai Guruji.
Jai Guruji.
All right, that's a confirmation. Thank you. So today is the last chapter of this book, and I don't know ये एक session में खत्म होगा, दो में होगा या तीन में होगा, but as usual we start with gratitude. प्रभ कीजे कृपा निधान, हम हर गुण गावेंगे. So जब गुरु की कृपा होती है, that's when he enables us कि हम उनका गुणगान भी कर सकें. So अगर अरदास करनी है गुरु जी के आगे तो इस बात की अरदास करते हैं कि गुरु जी वो कृपा करो हम पे कि हम हर पल हर श्वास के साथ आप ही का गुणगान करें. So this is a very special chapter in the book because this chapter is about Guruji's vachans, words to live by. So we'll read this nice and slow and try to assimilate every word into ourselves. गुरु वचनों को रखना संभाल कर, एक वचन मेरा, एक वचन में गहरा राज है, जिसने जानी है महिमा गुरु जी की, उसका डूबा कभी ना जहाज है. In this chapter, I wish to share Guruji's precious vachans and teachings over the years. I hope that by sharing some of his conversations and vachans, you all can benefit as much as I have from them. Question, it's in a Q&A format. Okay, so the question is, Guruji, why in both your temples is Shivji's photograph always placed below Guru Nanak Dev Ji when you yourself say that Shiv is the creator? And the answer given is Shiv Ji di namrata hai, meaning this is due to Shiv Ji's humility. Next question, Guruji, what is the true purpose of building the Chhatarpur Mandir, which is the Bada Mandir? The answer that Maharaj gives is Sanu Mandiran di lod nahi hai, asita chappal paake tur pehne ha. ए मंदिर में तुहाडे वास्ते छड़ के जा रहा हां. ए सच दी था है, मैं इस मंदिर विच रोज नए नजारे दिखाना हा. एक दिन आऊगा जदों शिवलिंग विचों दूध अपने आप प्रगट होवेगा. So what he's saying essentially is that I do not require temples. I never stay in one place for too long. I am leaving this temple for my Sangat, which is you and I. This is a place of truth and you will see miracles happening here every day. There will be a day when the shivling on top of the temple will have milk flowing from it. Guruji, why does Shivji hold a Trishul in his hand? Trishul Brahma, Vishnu और महेश का प्रतीक है. ये तीनों को शिव अपने हाथ में रखते हैं, इसलिए त्रिशूल पकड़ते हैं. Trishul is a symbol of Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. All three are in the hands of Shiv. That's why he holds a trident or a Trishul. Many times I have read stories where saints had cursed their disciples or others who had wronged them. So I asked Guruji about it one day. Guruji संत श्राप क्यों देते हैं? उनको तो और भी पेशेंट होना चाहिए क्योंकि वो पाठ करते हैं. Guruji, why do the saints curse? They should have a lot of patience since they do so much of prayers. And believe you me, जब मैं शिव पुराण भी पढ़ रही थी तो मेरे दिमाग में यही ख्याल आता था कि यहाँ पर in every chapter you're either reading about a curse or a war or someone who's agitated because of some other reason and उसको श्राप दिया, वो अगले जन्म में ये हो गया. And I used to wonder the same thing, that why do people curse? And here is a beautiful answer. एक सच्चा गुरु कभी किसी को श्राप नहीं देगा, meaning a true guru will never curse anyone. मंदिर विच इन्ना रश हो जाएगा कि एक दिन गेट तक लाइन लगा करूगी, फिर गुरुजी चांद विच नजर आएंगे, and that day has come already. One day there will be such a huge crowd at the temple that there will be a queue right up to the gate of the temple, and now the queue is beyond the gate of the temple. One day you will see me in the moon. Many people in Sangat have had darshans of Guruji in the moon, and that is exactly right. Guru ko jaan aur daan koi nahi de sakta. No one can ever give charity or their life to a guru. Guru di ustat karni paat karan tu bhi behtar hai. To praise your guru is much better than doing prayers, or it's the highest form of worship. Someone commented that Guruji has very delicate hands, and this is what Guruji said. मैं delicate नहीं हाँ, जे मैं चाहा तो तानू सारियां नू एक हाथ नाल चक के बाहर मार सकता हाँ. जलंधर बैठे मैं फूक मार के बॉम्बे बंदा सद सकता हाँ. I'm not delicate. If I want, I can pick all of you with one hand and throw you out. Sitting in Jalandhar, I can burn a person in Bombay. मैनू हवाई जहाज दी कोई लोड़ नहीं है. मैं ते आप उड़ के चला जांदा हाँ. आधे घंटे विच मैं अमेरिका होकर वापस आ जांदा हाँ. I don't need aeroplanes to travel. I fly to wherever I have to go. Within half an hour, I can go to America and come back as well. 100 साल दी तपस्या बाद ही बॉडी चो खुशबू आनी शुरू होंदी हा. After 100 years of strong meditation, does fragrance come from the saint's body. जिस दे घर में चला जावा उसनु सारी उम्र पाठ करन दी लोड़ नहीं. The persons whose house I visit do not need to pray for their entire lifetime. जदों गुरु कोल आंदे हो ते तुहाडा भला सोचना साडा कम है. तुसी सारे अपने पाप दी पंड मेरे कोल छड़ के मेरी blessings लेकर जांदे हो. When you come to me, it is my job to think of your benefit. You all leave your bundles of bad karmas at my feet and go home with my blessings. And this is the significance of even doing matha tek. जब हम अपना सर अपना मस्तक गुरुजी के आगे झुकाते हैं, so all the stress, all the worry, all the tension that we have, we are pretty much saying कि गुरुजी हम आपके समर्पण ये सब छोड़ के जा रहे हैं, आप संभाल लेना. And often Guruji used to say कि तुम सब कीचड़ में हो, मैं तुम्हें निकालने आया हूँ और मैं तुम्हें निकालता रहता हूँ और फिर तुम कीचड़ के अंदर चले जाते हो. So that is why it's a process that is continuous. It's work in progress for a lifetime. कभी भी गुरु कोल अपनी सरकारी गड्डी विच मिलन ना आया करो. अपनी प्राइवेट गड्डी विच अपना पैसा खर्च के आया करो, तब फल मिलता है. Never use your office staff car to come to meet me. Always use your private car and spend your own money. Only then you will get my full blessings. मैं हर शिवरात्रि नु अपना अंग अंग अलग कर दिंदा हां. On every Shivratri, I separate each and every part of my body. तीरथ पदारथ ता गुरु ते चरना विच रूल रहे हां. Once you come to a guru, there is no need for pilgrimages and search for wealth, since all these can be found at Guruji's feet. And that is true. We have seen, while Guruji was in his chola, people offer, air conditioners. Ke Guruji har kamre mein lagwa lo, yahan to bahut garmi hai. Or, different forms of wealth and, materialistic things. And Guruji would always very politely decline. हर एक से सेवा भी नहीं वो करवाते थे. और एक बार तो प्रेस बाहर खड़ी थी outside Empire State and Guruji sent somebody कि please इनको दरवाजे से ही बाहर भेज दो, because he was never looking for any form of publicity. And as Guruji rightly said कि एक सच्चे गुरु को पब्लिसिटी की कभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, ना ही बॉडीगार्ड्स की जरूरत पड़ती। लोकां नू महापुरुष रखना ही नहीं आंदा, उन्हां नू फूल वांगू रखना पैंदा है, हर मिनट उन्हां दा ध्यान रखना पैंदा है। People don't know how to look after a true Mahapurush. He should be kept like a flower. He needs to be taken care of every minute. जदों भी कोई चंगा काम करन जाओ, कदी भी 3 लोग घर से ना चलो। 3 तो कम या ज्यादा बंदे ही घर तो चलने चाहिए। Whenever you go out to do some auspicious work, 3 people should never leave the house. Always make sure that either less or more than 3 people should leave the house. कदे भी पौने विच घर तो ना चलो, हमेशा घंटा टपके चलो। Never leave your house at quarter to any hour. Always wait till it is at least 5 minutes past an hour. कदे भी अहंकार ना करो कि मैं किसी नू खाना खिलाया है। रब उस बंदे दा राशन पहला ही तुहाडे कोल भेज दिंदा हा। तानू तां गेस्ट दा शुक्र करना चाहिए कि ओ तुहाडे घर खा के गया है। Never be proud of the fact that you have fed someone at your house. God transfers that person's food to your house beforehand. In fact, you must thank people for coming and eating at your house. And मैं तो निकालने की कोशिश हर पल करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं बहुत इजीली हर चीज में फिट हो जाता है। चाहे वो यहाँ तो खाना खिलाने का एग्जाम्पल है, हम कहते हैं कि अच्छा इसको मैंने जोड़ा है गुरुजी से, या इसको मैं लेकर आई, या ये मेरी सेवा है। सो जहां पर मैं आ गई वहां पर अहंकार आ ही गया। So be mindful, क्योंकि हम without even thinking, not कि हर use में we are trying to sound arrogant, but it comes in so discreetly and so quietly that most of the time we are not even aware. So a little bit of realization and awareness at all times is very helpful. And we know everything. If you are a true believer, you will understand that there's never a coincidence. And there is never something that is happening without Guruji's will. And call it his Moh Maya, his Jal, whatever you want to call it. Little things like, if you take the example of the past 12 days, every book reading has been completely spontaneous. I've never known कि next day मैं किस time पे किताब पढ़ पाऊंगी। मेरी बस एक ही अरदास रही थी कि गुरुजी ये शुरू कराया है तो enable भी आप ही करोगे। And he comes through, and this is a very trivial example that I'm sharing. मेरे कोल आके मंग्या ना करो, मैनू सब पता है किस नू कद की देना है। मंग के नास्तिक ना बनो, की पता मैं कोई वड्डी चीज देनी होवे तो तुसी छोटी मंग के बैठ जाओ। When you come to me, don't ask for anything. I know what to give to whom and at what time. By asking you, become non-believers. You don't know, maybe I wish to give you something big and you may ask for something much smaller. रोज एक चैप्टर शिव पुराण दा पढ़िया करो, ए मैं कलयुग दा उपाय तुहानू दिता है। शिव पुराण 3 वारी पढ़न नाल तुहानू समझ नहीं आएगी, जदों चौथी वारी पढ़ोगे ते जाके तुहानू उसदा मजा आएगा। Read 1 chapter of Shiv Puran daily. This is a way to sail through the Kali Yuga period. You will not understand it the first 3 times that you read it, but the 4th time you will surely enjoy it. And probably I'm in that category where, the first 3 times I am not understanding much. And hopefully if I'm ever able to get to the 4th time with Guruji's Kripa, I will also start to enjoy it. गुप्त दान और गुप्त पाठ 10 साल करन नाल तुसी गर्भ जून विच नहीं आओगे. When you pray and do charity in a way that no one ever finds out for a period of 10 years, you will be freed from the cycle of birth and death. धरती नो कोई नमस्कार नहीं करता जेड़ा इन्ना कुछ देंदी हा ते तुहाडा भार सहंदी आ. हुन इन्ना पाप बद गया है कि धरती भी चिक्का मार रही है. No one bows down to Mother Earth in respect and thankfulness. It gives you all so much, and it is tolerating your weight for so long. Now even the earth is crying. सूरज भी हुन बुढ़ा हो रहा है. The sun is now growing old. वैराग चंगा हुंदा हा जदों तक वैराग ना हुंदा पाठ शुरू नहीं हुंदा. Vairag is sadness on being apart from your guru or missing God or guru so much that you cannot live without seeing him. Until you experience vairag, that sadness, you cannot start your spiritual journey. Yes, when you truly are seeking your guru, like it was previously mentioned in this book, hamare, I think 7 lifetimes nikalte hain of trying to seek a Puran guru, and that's when you find one. Kisi sonde hue nu jagana nahi chahida. Never wake up a person who's sleeping. Sair sab roga da ilaj hai, meaning walking is the cure to most of the ailments. Ghar vich ek vele jot zarur jalani chahidi hai. Jot is a small container filled with clarified butter with a wick burning. This must be lit at least once in a day. बलाद दी जूनी दे बाद मनुख जन्म मिलता है. बलाद हमेशा बुधवार नू बीमार होता है तो बुधवार नू ही मरता है. Only after being born as a bull can a human birth be attained. Wow, I just learned something. A bull falls sick on a Wednesday and dies on a Wednesday. Accidents, war, suicide, या और कोई unnatural death, bad soul प्रेत जूनी विच चली जांदी हा. महापुरुष की कृपा नाल ही ओ कड्डी जा सकती है, वरना सालों साल भटकती रहती है. After dying in accidents or in a war, by suicide or by other unnatural ways, a soul remains a spirit and stays in a state of unrest for countless number of years. Only by the grace of a true guru can it be freed from its sufferings. माला कद्दे फेरनी नहीं चाहिए, खास करके इंडेक्स फिंगर ते कदी भी नहीं फेरनी चाहिए. माला फेरन नाल अहंकार वधदा है ते इंडेक्स फिंगर दी ईगो वधदी है. Never pray with prayer beads, as it leads to increase of ego. The index finger is the finger of ego, so never use this. सब दी लाइफ विच अपॉर्चुनिटी 3 बार नॉक करती है. महापुरुष भी 3 मौके देंदे हां. जे ते सुन लो ते चंगा, वरना फिर असी भी चुप हो जांदे हां. Opportunity knocks thrice in everyone's life. A true guru too will give you 3 opportunities. If you listen, well and good. If not, then he too keeps quiet. Functions guru naal celebrate करने चाहिए हैं. बाकी सारी पार्टियां ते इत्थे ही रह जाएंगियां. साडे नाल मनाई हुई पार्टी मरण बाद भी नाल जावेगी. Celebrate your functions with your guru, and this points back to prioritizing the right things at the right time. All other parties will remain here, but the ones you have with your guru will go with you even after your death. Finance का काम कदे नहीं करना चाहिए है, किसी दी आ लग जाती है. Never do work related to finance, as you will invariably get cursed. मेरा दिल विच आर्मी वालियां लई सॉफ्ट स्पॉट है. वो सारी उम्र देश लई गवा देंदे हां ते रिटायरमेंट ते बाद उन्हां दे हथ कुछ नहीं लगता. I have a soft spot for the army personnel as they spend their lives serving their country, and after retirement, they are hardly left with anything much. And this explains why I think my dad always got a lot of love from Guruji. Agle yug vich Baba Shri Chand ji fir aange. In the next yug, after Kali Yug, Baba Shri Chand ji will appear again. Baba Shri Chand ji is the son of Guru Nanak Dev ji. It is believed that he never aged beyond 14 years and never died. He is known to be incarnation of Lord Shiva. नीम दे पत्ते ते नमकीन दलिया लस्सी विच पाके खान नाल बीमारी नहीं लगती. हल्दी भी खानी चाहिदी, चंगी हुंदी है. Eat neem leaves and salty porridge with buttermilk for good health, and ailments will remain away. Turmeric must be consumed as well, as it is very good for health. And I had shared a satsang earlier on how he told me to drink haldi wala doodh for the polycystic ovarian disease that I had maybe in my early 20s. More sab to pure animal hai. Sab to changa te asli chor sahib bhi more de pankha to hi baniya hunda hai. Gurudware vich jo dekhte ho o nahi. Which means the peacock is the most pure animal. The best and original chor sahib is that of peacock feathers and not what you see in gurdwaras. Peacock feathers are known to disperse negativity. Mainu milan de baad सीधे अपने घर जाओ. बिच्चू कित्ते रुकना नहीं. Positive vibrations घर लेकर जाया करो. After meeting me, go straight home. Do not stop at any other place. Take positive vibrations home with you. जो तुसी खांदे हो उसका direct effect तुम्हारी soul ते पैंदा है. Simple खाना खाया करो. Human body meat खाने वास्ते नहीं बनी. Meat part which vegan है. अपनी body नु शमशान घाट ना बनाओ. Whatever you eat affects your soul. Always eat simple food. Human body is not made to eat meat. Don't make your stomach into a graveyard. Eating meat is a hindrance in your spiritual path. रब दा रास्ता बहुत ही कठिन है. नंगी तलवार ते चलन वंगू है. तलवार दी नोक ते पहुंच के भी गिरन दा डर है. गोडे घिस जांदे हां. The path to God is very difficult. It is like walking on a bare sword. Even if you reach the tip, there is still a chance that you will fall. It is a path so difficult that your needs will wear off. जो मेरे कोल असली चीज लेनी है ते अपना घर जलाकर ते अपना सर कट कर अपनी हथेली ते रख के मेरे कोल आओ. If you want the real thing from me, set your home on fire and cut your head and bring it to me on your palm. By setting fire, he means to set fire to your desires, and to cut your head, he means finish your ego and give yourself to your guru. This is not a literal translation, but इसका meaning है कि अपनी इच्छाओं को दूर रखो, अपनी ईगो को खत्म करने की कोशिश करो और अपने आप को अपने गुरु को दे दो. This is the amount of faith a guru needs from his disciple to finally grant him liberation. मोक्ष पाना आसान नहीं है संगत जी. On being asked by someone as to why his sangat consists mostly of the rich and high profile people and not the poor, गरीब ते मैं पैसे नहीं खर्चांदा. उन्हां दा मैं उन्हां दे घर जाके ही कल्याण करके आंदा हां. कदे सफेदी निचों उत्ते जांदी देखी है, हमेशा उत्तों थल्ले आंदी है. इसी तरह जे मैं उत्ते दा एक भी बंदा नु सुधार देवां तो उसते थल्ले 10 बंदियां दा सुधार हो जाएगा. I don't let the poor spend money and come to me. I go to them and bless them in their homes. Have you ever seen whitewash done from bottom of the wall going upwards? No, it is always done from top to bottom. Similarly, I work on the top officials. If I can correct one top officer, people working under him will automatically get corrected. That's so practical. फोटोग्राफ तो अमृत कोई नहीं प्रोड्यूस कर सकता, आज तक किसी ने नहीं किया। ए सब पाठ दे कारण है। ओ ही महापुरुष कर सकता है जिसते कोल पावर हो, बल्ब ता ही जलदा है जे पिछू करंट होवे। No one can produce Amrit from photographs. This is all due to years of prayers and meditation. Only a true guru who has the power can do so. Like a bulb will only work if it is fed by electricity. Similarly, a guru who has the power can produce such miracles. And like I mentioned earlier, that हमने खुद अपनी आंखों से देखा है गुरुजी के स्वरूप से, उनकी फोटो से अमृत निकलते हुए when Guruji was physically sitting in front of us. जो इंसान अपनी early life विच बहुत दुख देखता है, उसकी life end विच सुखी निकलती है. Those who see a lot of sadness in their early life will find a lot of happiness in their later years. On being told that he wears beautiful dresses, मेरा dress देखा तकी देखा, ऐते रूप भी मेरा असली नहीं है, मैं तो light हूँ. Don't look at my dresses. Even this body is not my real form. I am light. And this is true, Sangatji, that many a times we are so consumed by just the outward, the physical appearance, that we don't look beyond that. And this is him reminding कि अगर आप मेरा बाहर का रूप देख रहे हो तो क्या देख रहे हो? मेरा तो ये असली रूप ही नहीं है, मैं तो लाइट हूं. औरत रब नू दिल तो याद करती है, आदमी अपने दिमाग तो याद करता है. महापुरुष को औरत ही अपने हस्बैंड नू ले आंदी है, पर औरत कदे महापुरुष नहीं बन सकती. A woman remembers God from her heart, whereas a man remembers God from his mind. Although it is a woman who brings her husband to a Mahapurush, but a woman can never be a Mahapurush. Obviously, a woman can be a Purush. Sirf Shiv ही mukti de sakta hai. Only Lord Shiva has the power to grant moksha. गुटका पढ़ने के पहले गुटका पढ़ना तो पहली पौड़ी है. पहला पाठ पढ़िया जाता है, फिर मुंह ज़बानी किता जाता है, उसके बाद मन विच किता जाता है, पर होठ ते ज़बान हिल दी हा. जदों पाठ मन विच सिमरिया जाए ते होठ या ज़बान भी ना हिले, ओ असली पाठ है. And that's why जब मंत्र जाप भी चलता है तो संगत जी कोशिश कीजिए कि आप अपने मन में सिमरन करो कि आप क्या लिप्स और टंग भी ना हिले, आप अपने मन से उसको सिमर रहे हो. Reading from holy books is just the first step in your spiritual progress. At first, one reads from holy books, then does prayers by heart. In the next step, one does prayers in the mind, but the lips and tongue move. When the prayers are done in the mind and the lips and tongue stop moving, that is the right way to pray. लोग पाठ कर दे हाँ डर के कि आज पाठ नहीं किता ते पता नहीं की होवेगा. ऐता तुसी उस चिड़ी वांगू हो जेड़ी पिंजरे विच बंद है और बाहर बिल्ली बैठी हुई है. इस तरह डर के पाठ करन दा कोई फायदा नहीं है. रब नाल प्यार करो, कलयुग विच रब छेती मिल जाता है. That's true कि अगर हम कई बार हम रिचुअल्स करने लगते हैं, व्रत करने लगते हैं, मन के फेरते हैं, थिंकिंग कि ओ गॉड अगर हमने ये ये व्रत तोड़ दिया या ये नहीं किया तो हमें बड़ी पनिशमेंट मिलेगी. So most people actually pray out of fear, and that's not the right way to even think. So this means that people pray out of fear. They feel that something bad will happen if they miss doing it, even for a day. People become like birds in a cage with a cat sitting outside, always in fear. Praying like this is pointless. Try and love God. In Kali Yuga, it is very easy to find God. रब दा दिखता हुआ सब enjoy करो, चंगे कपड़े पाओ, सब कुछ enjoy करते हुए भी अपने आप ਨੂੰ unattached रखो. Enjoy whatever God has given to you. Wear good clothes, enjoy the luxuries God has blessed you with, but at the same time, remain unattached. So this point focuses on detachment. That it is not wrong to possess nice things. Okay, it is not wrong to be wearing good clothes. I think problem तब आती है जब हमारे में वो attachment आनी शुरू हो जाती है, तब हम उस माया में धंसने लगते हैं. But wait, I have a designer handbag, but I'm very attached to it. Or these clothes, oh my God, मेरा सारा ध्यान मेरे कपड़ों में है. So what this is again a very practical aspect, that it is not wrong to have or enjoy the finer things in life. The wrong comes when there is excessive attachment to these frivolous things. महापुरुषां दी बहुत लंबी उडाड़ी हुंदी है. ਅਸੀਂ ਲੰਬਾ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸੋਚ ਖਤਮ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਉੱਥੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਸੋਚ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ. A Mahapurush always sees and thinks way beyond us human beings. Their thinking begins at the point where our thoughts end. फोन ते हर गल बिगड़ी हा. फोन ते कदी भी कुछ काम नहीं करना चाहिए. किसी दी प्रॉब्लम्स भी फोन ते नहीं सुननी चाहिए. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵਿਟੀ ਲੈ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ એનર્ਜੀ ਲੈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ. And that's why I avoid having long conversations on the phone. I am essentially a texter, but I think back then itna texting ka concept nahi tha. The point is that when people come to you with issues, I'm not saying that don't listen or shut them down. But very politely, please direct them, redirect them, point them to Guru Sahib, because ultimately करने कराने वाले तो वही है. We are powerless. हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. तो कभी अपने आप को इतना credit ना दो that you feel कि we people can be life changing for somebody. What we can truly do is direct them and channel them or point them towards the source of energy, positive energy, which is his lotus feet. Guruji was never in the favor of talking too much on the phone. He felt that no work should ever be done on the phone, as it will never go right. Never listen to anyone's problems on the phone, as other person will give you his or her negativity and take away your positive energy. सब्जियां कम खाया करो, दाल नाल रोटी खाओ. एक टाइम आऊगा जदों कनक विच भी कीड़ा पै जाऊगा. की खाओगे? Eat less of vegetables and more lentils. There will be a time when wheat too will get infested by insects. What will you then eat? Soft drinks te chini khan naal hadiyan kamzor ho jandiyan. Avoid soft drinks and sugar, as they will make your bones brittle. Je man changa te nalke da pani bhi ganga. If your mind is pure, even tap water for you will be as pure as the water from the Ganges. Again, whenever we do an action, I think we know it better than anyone and everyone. It's either you're self-conscious, or your guru who knows the intent. So agar aap koi bhi karaj pure mind se karoge, sache man se karoge, then regardless of how it's perceived by the others, should not be a problem, because at the end of the day, your guru knows where your heart was. Jis da pyar Mahapurush naal pੈ jaye, usnu duniya ek tamasha laguga. Te sab phika laguga. That is so true. A person who falls in love with his guru will start witnessing this life as a play acted upon a stage. everything else in life will seem pointless. So true. ऐसे लगता है that we are all puppets and he's the puppeteer pulling the strings and बस हम ये एक जगह तमाशा देख रहे हैं और रोज कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा होता है. कोयल दा शाम ते वेले बोलना बुरे टाइम दा आन दा sign है. Singing of the koel bird in the morning is good, but in the evening if you hear the koel bird, it is a sign of bad times approaching. इन्ने बुरे टाइम आ रहे हैं कि इंडिया नु कोई बचा सकता है तो ओ महापुरुषी है. Such bad times are coming that in future only a true Mahapurush can save India. And again, bhool chuk maaf Guruji, but in one of the conversations with my dad, he did say कि Delhi dobara ujadegi और जब उजड़ के दोबारा बनेगी, then बड़ा मंदिर will be in the center of Delhi. And he also said कि लाल किले के ऊपर तिरंगे की जगह फिर से वो हरा झंडा लहराएगा. I don't know when. I don't know how many of us will witness this, but again, speaking from strictly our memory from many years ago. India चे एक ही ब्रह्मा जी दा मंदिर है, पर time आएगा जब और ब्रह्मा जी दा मंदिर बनेंगे. In India, there is only one temple of Lord Brahma, but a time will come soon when more of his temples will be constructed. And we've read it in Shiv Puran कि कैसे इसकी पूरी history है, that why Brahma ji की पूजा नहीं की जाती. There's a full chapter because Brahma ji lied to Lord Shiva and he got this curse. But I guess there will be a time when we will see more of Brahma ji's temples. जो कुछ भी हो रहा है वो शिव जी दा करोप है. गणेश जी दी मूर्तियां दा दूध पीना, meteor showers होना सब चमत्कार नहीं है, बुरे साइंस हैं. नेचर नाराज है, तुसी नेचर तो नहीं जीत सकते. During the times when meteor showers were witnessed in the night skies and idols of Ganesh were seen to drink milk, that was in 1995, I still remember. Guruji had said that all these incidences were not miracles but a sign of bad times. He said that it is due to the anger of Lord Shiva and the nature, and that nature was very angry. He said no one can ever win against nature. And again, sometimes when things are not going as planned, we start to see bad signs and everything. And that's when mentally, I think we are having a battle between ourselves and the universe. क्योंकि हर sign जो universe दे रहा है, वो आपको गलत लग रहा है. So again, speaking from a mental standpoint, it's never a good idea to get into any sort of a battle with the universe. That's why it is important that we always keep our thoughts positive. And when we see our mind going astray, quickly reel it back in or it's going to be disastrous. Husband and wife, the relationship best friends की तरह होना चाहिए. आजकल बच्चे नाल भी friends की तरह ही रहना चाहिए. बच्चियां नू कद्दे मारना नहीं चाहिए. The relationship between husband and wife should be that of best friends. These days, one should be good friends to their children as well. Never hit your children. Husband and wife नू एक ही अलमारी विच कपड़े रखने चाहिए. इस नाल घर विच खुशियां बनी रहंदियां. Husband and wife must share a cupboard. Keeping their clothes together leads to a happy married life. कबीर जी नू 17 साल लगे गुरु धारण करन नू. मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਿਠਾਏ ਰੱਖਾ ਹੈ. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਸਤੇ ਚ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ. It took 17 years for Sant Kabir to be accepted as a disciple of his Guru Ramanand Ji. You have all found a Guru so easily and I let you all sit here with me. Finding a Guru is not easy, but Guruji made it easy for all of us. That is true. और कल भी हमने एक साखी सुनी थी जिसमें it said that it took this saint to find took him 36 years to find a true guru and 36 years of a severe penance. कदे 2 मिनट बैठ के सोचो कि रब ने की मिरेकल कितना है ह्यूमन बॉडी बना के तुसी लोग उल्टा अहंकार विच फिरदे हो गुरु दी किरपा दे बगैर कोई भी स्पिरिचुअल राह ते नहीं चल सकता Sit for 2 minutes and think what a miracle God has performed by creating the human body. You people are all roaming around in your ego. No one can walk the path of spiritualism without the blessings of a true guru. Yes, it is truly a blessing where we have an understanding that we need to praise our guru. हमें गुरु की उस्तत करनी है और रोज करनी है ये भी गुरु की ब्लेसिंग है क्योंकि हर कोई वो भी नहीं कर सकता डॉक्टर जे सही होवे ते नेक्स्ट टू गॉड हुंदा हा पोएट्स डॉक्टर्स ते जजेस जे ठीक रहे तो और स्पिरिचुअल पैथ ते चलन ता उन्हां दे विच भी रब बसता है A doctor, if working honestly, is next to God. God lives within poets, doctors and judges who are honest and on spiritual path. Judge de kol kadde sifarish nahi lani chahiye case putha ho janda. Never approach to influence a judge during your case, it will go against you. Darshan sab mangde haan par unha nu nahi pata ki darshan नू से पाना बहुत ही मुश्किल है पागल भी हो सकते हो everyone asks me to give them darshans which is visions of various gods they don't know that it is not easy to bear them they are so powerful that most of you are not capable of dealing with it and there is a chance that you may even lose your mind कदे भी मेरे तो मंगया ना करो ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਮੱਥਾ ਟੇਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਰੋ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਕਿਚੜ ਤੋਂ ਕੱਢ ਲਓ never ask me for anything whenever you bow down to pray always ask God to take you out of this materialistic filth yes Guruji please take us out of this materialistic filth I know aap sun rahe ho पाठ इतना पावरफुल है कि सब कुछ ठीक कर सकता है Prayer is very powerful and can cure anything. Butterfly the dikhna te lights the flicker karna messages hunde haan rab de. Butterflies are messengers of God and flickering of the light is also a sign. Kaudi cheezan khaya karo jive neem te amla. E masudiyan nu mazboot te khoon nu saaf karda ha. Haldi bhi khani achhi hundi ha. Always eat bitter things like bitter gourd and gooseberry. They not only strengthen your gums, but also purify blood. Eating turmeric is also good for health. Kahan milega hame aise guru who's giving us such practical advice? Saap sab to pure hunda ha, grasti which sher sab to number 1 te hai, kyunki o life che ek baar hi sex karda hai reproduce karan vaste. Snakes are the purest of all animals. A lion is also very pure because it has sex just once in its life, and that too with the purpose to reproduce. Many times, my mother has seen Guruji take the form of a lady. On being asked, he said, Shiv bhi maha, the Shakti bhi maha. I am Shiv as well as Shakti. Tapo Raj, Rajyo Nar. Very often, Guruji would repeat these words to his Sangat. It means, तप से राज मिलता है और राज से नरक by penance and meditation you get to top position and when you attain that you are making preparations for hell if you are not careful and humble like I said the last time जितना ऊपर उठते हो उतना ही डर है that if not done properly जब गिरोगे तो उतनी ही ज्यादा चोट लगेगी उस ऊंचाई से and there is a saying in English also uneasy lies the head that wears the crown चंगा कैरेक्टर होना बहुत जरूरी है रब खून माफ कर सकता है पर बैड कैरेक्टर की माफी नहीं है इसकी माफी सिर्फ एक महापुरुष ही दे सकता है it is imperative to have good character God can forgive you for committing a murder but there is no forgiveness for bad character Only a true Guru can grant you forgiveness for his sin if he so wishes. ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਬਰਸੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਨਾਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੋਲ ਨੂੰ ਵਾਪਸ ਖਿੱਚਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਸੋਲ ਔਖੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਬਰਸੀ ਤੇ ਚੁੱਪਚਾਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਾਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। Oh my God, I got my answer. So just yesterday I posted a question on our party group that tell me more about Barsi because 18th May ko Papa ko ek saal ho jayega gaye hue and I don't know anything about these things. To me, I can only do satsang, but if there's anything else that needs to be done, I want to do it right. And here is my answer, Shukrana Guruji. Never celebrate death anniversaries. By doing so, you pull the soul back and this causes the soul to hurt and its progress is hindered. Quietly do charity on a death anniversary. Hamesha natural cheeza naal nahana chahida hai. Besan sab to best hai. Always bathe with natural things. Gram flour is the best option. Pata chala ab kal se sab besan se nahare hain. Maa baap ki seva karni chahidi hai. Iste bina kuch nahi milega. Always look after and serve your parents. Without doing so, you will never progress. And ye seva ka mauka bhi sangat ji har ek ko nahi milta. So if you have that chance today, please do it. And do it unconditionally without expecting anything back in return. Computer de samne ghante 2 ghante to zyada nahi behna chahida. Microwave the cell phones bhi bimariyan karengi. Never sit before the computer for more than an hour or two. All gadgets and appliances like microwaves and cell phones will cause health issues. And we all are addicts and primarily by the nature of our jobs today. Jis te nak te til hunda hai, us vich bahut ego hundi hai. A person who has a black spot on his or her nose has a lot of ego. Gussa chandal hai. Ek galat kaam karwanda hai. Gusse nu control vich rakho. A bad temper is like a devil that makes you do all wrong things. Always keep your temper in check. And in all transparency, Guruji had once told me on Mahashivratri, "Inni changi kudi hai, inna gussa na karya kar." And I replay those words in my mind anytime I feel that I'm getting too consumed or sucked up into some sort of a vortex. You know, these are the words that help me just ease myself out of that situation. Aap path karya karo, kisi hor nu ko to karwane da koi fayda nahi hai. Path karna zaruri hai. Jis tarah tusi ethe bank balance rakhya hua hai ki zarurat vich kam auga, usi tarah utte bhi bank balance chahida hai. And that is the real bank balance that we will end up carrying with ourselves. Always do prayers yourself. Asking someone to pray for you is of no use. Just as you have a bank balance here that you keep for a rainy day, similarly, it is important for you to prepare a spiritual bank balance for yourself as well. Mahapurush di meher gupt hundi hai. Asi kade bhi nahi daste ki kisi vaste ki kitta hai. Blessings of a true Guru is secret. He never tells what blessings he has given and to whom. मैं अपने वास्ते ते अपने परिवार दे वास्ते zero हाँ. मेरे parents ਨੂੰ ਸੰਗਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਣਾ ਮਨਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਬਿਠਾਈ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹਾਂ. ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ. ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੋਹ ਮਾਇਆ ਤੋਂ ਕੱਢਣ ਆਇਆ ਹਾਂ. I am zero for myself and my family. I cannot do anything for them. My parents are not allowed to come to meet me. I have come to take them out of the clutches of materialism. What to eat and what color to wear on each day of the week. Now, this is a table that is in the book which talks about the day, the color, the type of food, and what is the reason that Guruji gave. So, listen to this carefully. Monday, the recommended color is white. The recommended food is kheer, sweet rice pudding. The reason is for purity and peace of mind. Tuesday, the recommended color is sky blue. The recommended food is kala chana, and the reason is to disperse unfavorable stars. Wednesday is green, Hari Sabat Mungi ki dal, which is the green lentil to disperse clouds of gloom. Thursday is yellow, curry, dish made from gram flour for your guru. Friday is cream, gur ke chawal, sweet rice made with jaggery for prosperity. Saturday is black, kala chana, black grams, to keep the ill effects of Shani away. And Sunday is red, rajma, which is kidney beans, for happiness. And with this, it's a wrap, Sangatji. Thank you so much to each one of you for being with me on this journey. And like I said at the onset, that I don't know why we chose these books, but I personally had the opportunity to relearn, relive a lot of experiences that I would not have thought about. A lot of questions that I had on my mind made so much more sense. And this is not the first time I read this book. I had read this book maybe a decade ago, if not more. I read it and I kept it aside. And then again, 12 days ago, we started reading this together, and I was reading it real time with you guys. And no coincidences, a lot of questions were answered, a lot of reminders were given. So thank you to Maharaj and his Divine Sangat for enabling us and being with us on this journey together. Shukrana Maharaj. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivji Sada Sahai. Om Namah Shivaya, Guruji Sada Sahai. Sada Sada Shukrana. Bhool Chuk Maaf Sangatji. Over to you, Shilpi, Ekta.
Thank you, Aarti Auntie. It was a beautiful journey. Really blessed. And yes, I have got a lot of answers. As you said, I had also read this book. But the present situation in which every Sangat is going through on a minute to minute, so you keep getting your answers. And as I was talking to you, it is not a coincidence that you were chosen to read this particular book. So Shukrana Maharaj and Shukrana to you. Jai Guruji. Over to Ekta.
Thank you, Auntie, for this beautiful book. I've heard it for the first time, so it's mind-blowing. Thank you very much. Bahut shukrana, Guruji. Sangatji, if anybody wants to ask anything or share anything, today is the last day. Please.
Not on this morning routine, by the way.
I think it finished quite quickly. We are kind of sad.
Yeah. Yes.
Nobody wants to ask anything. So, okay, there. Seema Auntie, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, Aarti. It was beautiful reading. Beautiful. Really enjoyed it. Especially और किताबों में इतना नहीं जो गुरुजी की books पे आता है ना. You get so many messages. And since you talked about Kabir and you said कि बिल्कुल तलवार की धार के ऊपर चलना पड़ता है and bhakti is very difficult. So I just say 2 lines on that, you know. I couldn't help it, you know. Bhakti दुहेली गुरुन की नहीं कायर का काम शीस उतारे हाथ सो ताही मिले निज धाम. So dham means moksha. So exactly these are the words you said in the book. And another thing you said was, उसका भी मेरे पास 4 लाइनें हैं. भक्ति पंथ बहुत कठिन है, रति न चले खोट. You know, you have to be pure to walk on this path. And निराधार का खेल है, अधर धार की चोट. निराधार means groundless. There is no ground, you know. And हमको उसमें जैसे गुरुजी ने कहा कि हम नींबू की तरह निचोड़ते हैं, दुख देते हैं. So in our journey with Guruji, I think Dukh is also part of, you know. So this is my take. Beautiful. And जो बरसी का आपने इनका पढ़ा, you won't believe, Guruji gave me a huge satsang on Barsi as I was doing for my mother, you know. And यहाँ पे एक line में आपको message मिल गया, and Guruji had to, you know, make me go through an entire circle to convey the message. So you are, you got the message in one line. And
Anji,
lastly,
that what do we even do for Barsi? And little did I know that I will be reading this the very next morning.
And my satsang, whosoever heard about that, about this, got goosebumps, because itna Guruji ne deeply bataya tha, and you got it, you came to know in one line. And another thing is that ki Guruji ne kaha tha ki satsang karna meri sabse badi aradhana, and you won't believe, my every satsang starts with this line ki Guruji ka satsang karna mere liye sabse badi ibadat hai, and exactly it was validated here. So
Absolutely.
Thank you, Shukrana Guruji ka, har pal pal Shukrana, har baat ka yahan jawab milta hai. So this is my take on today's, it was beautiful, beautiful.
And Auntie, to add to what you said, khali jawab nahi milta. I think we all gravitate so much towards Guruji because he makes things so simple for us.
Yes, yes.
That's the beauty.
Exactly. And his teachings, I realized, are so simple, so easy to adapt, and you change 360 degrees, So that's the beauty of this journey,
Right.
So beautiful, no doubt. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
We'll miss you. We'll miss you.
I'll miss being with
I
you.
hope.
Yes.
I think Shilpi can come out with some new idea to read a book, some other book.
Soon we will get her back. Very soon.
Yes, Guruji willing. Absolutely. Anyone else?
Nishi Aunty, you can unmute yourself, please.
Jai Guruji, Aarti Aunty, Jai Guruji, Seema Aunty, Jai Guruji, Sangat ji. As I say, by heart, my greatest gratitude to Rabji, Guruji Maharaj, and thank you to all the people who are involved in organizing, and thank you, Aarti Aunty, for reading such a beautiful reading. So I don't know, as soon as you said, we are finishing the book. So the idea came in my mind. Nothing but Guruji, I think, put in my mind that ask for the light of divinity, the Granth we have. So that will be amazing thing if we have time and we can do it, because this is very bad time. माड़ा वक्त जिस तरह कहते हैं ना कि माड़ा वक्त चल रहा है, ते I think this is the best we can do, the Gungan of Mahima of our Guruji, and that Granth has collection of the satsang of the old Sangat, as we say, and all they are collected by Maharaj himself, and so that will be an awesome book. I'm going to say book, but Granth to read, because I think Maharaj की दी जितनी भी महिमा हम करें वो कम है, और I think that will be awesome idea. Thank you so much. Thank you.
No, thank you for sharing. And I don't know if Shilpi or Ekta, you want to take this one, but I do know that the Light of Divinity is being read across different forums already. Yeah, I mean, it's being read extensively right now, Auntie.
Yes, Auntie, that is true that a lot of platforms are doing that. So we are coming with a new book, which is not read ever on a platform. It is Autobiography of a Yogi, and we are privileged to have like Anita Kumar Auntie to read it. It would be starting from Monday. So I think Anita Auntie is there. Anita Auntie, would you like to say something? If she's...
Ask and thou shalt receive.
Yeah.
Hi. Jai Guruji.
Jai Guruji. Jai Guruji, Anita Aunty. Jai Guruji.
Hi. And Aarti, just to say, like you said, reading these kind of books is revisiting Guruji's teachings, and is revisiting the time that we have spent with him learning how to live, with utmost meaning and purpose in our lives. So it's all unraveling. And I think it's a privilege to be reading such good books. And yeah, starting with His Grace on Monday with autobiography. Like he said, ki autobiography bhi padhya karo. You know, there's a few books which he recommended. I guess we get our answers through them. So looking forward to being on this platform and sharing some more pearls of wisdom with all of you. So yeah, that's it.
All the
Aarti,
best.
come back also.
And I get to read your new book as well.
Yeah.
I was so happy to receive that blessing. I was like, wow, ghar baithe baithe blessing aa gayi.
God bless you. So you can read that whenever.
Yes.
But it's great. I mean, it's literally, you know, everything, our breath, every breath is His grace. And, you know, these times, like I was reading something and it said, these times are brilliant for those who are actually on a spiritual journey because it's giving us an opportunity to go within, you know. So I think it's just wonderful. So हमारा time है जो लोग गुरु जी से जो भगवान से नहीं जुड़े हुए, but for those who are awakened now, it's a wonderful opportunity to delve deeper into divinity and our own truth. So let Him keep guiding us, guarding us, and making us read these books, sharing the pearls of wisdom, so that we can march forward.
True, auntie. And हमें डर भी तब लगता है अपने खुद के कर्म हमें डराते हैं. And once we know that हमने कुछ गलत नहीं किया, then there is nothing to fear at all.
Absolutely, absolutely. And you know, like they say, na chinta nahi chintan karni hai. So He's taught us that. He's teaching us that now. That, you know, don't worry, but turn your worry into worship. Like you turn your fear into faith.
Right.
So He's, you know, He used to convert energies. Remember, He used to always say, "मैं convert करता, थोड़ा cancer या थोड़ी diabetes." Yeah. The same way He's converting our mindset from negative mindset. So it's just wonderful. It's learning all the time. It's an ongoing learning.
Absolutely.
So great. Come back soon. Come back soon.
All best to you. Look forward to hearing from you, auntie, on Monday.
Lovely. Thank you, darling. Thank you. God bless you.
Jai Guruji.
Jai Guruji.
Ekta auntie, I'll unmute you. You can.
Jai Guruji, everyone. Jai Guruji, Aarti auntie. Beautiful reading, and most of all, beautiful smile. So I just love the way you smile. You know, that broad, clear smile. It feels as if Guruji is smiling from that end to us. You know, sometimes you are really down and you want to see that smile, and everyone is going through their own, you know, ups and downs of life, and still getting a beautiful smile from their end. It's beautiful. So you just resonated with something which we read in the morning, and your sister, beautiful reading she did in the morning, by His grace. And Usha auntie and both of them read about how we are treated once we, all those people who do wrong deeds in their lives, they get treated by the, what do you call God of death? I'm forgetting again.
Yum.
Yes, and they see the different characters of His face and how it happens. And then she said beautifully that as if a police officer is approaching your car, you're driving, and sometimes you plead that, yeah, she said. And then she said that you, if you're walking straight and you've not done anything wrong in your life or any wrong deed, and a policeman is coming from the front, you won't get scared or run off, right? And only the person who's done wrong would run off. So, but you just resonated. So just wanted to say something on this. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
You're for the Shiv Quran reading, right?
Yeah, in the morning, Seema auntie, and also the light of divinity. She's so blessed. So is Smiley auntie and Ekta auntie and you and everyone. 30, 40
I think
people.
everyone who's part of Guruji's Sangat is blessed.
Yeah,
There is
and
look at it.
A bunch of beautiful blessed flowers. May Guru Maharaj always bless us. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji.
हम Guruji वाले हैं.
Hi, Sadke. Sadke. सच्ची ऐसी गुरुजी वाले हैं सच्ची. जय गुरुजी. शुक्राना
Jai
गुरुजी.
Sangatji, anybody would like to share anything? Otherwise, we can wrap up the session. Thank you, Aarti Aunty, for these 12 most blissful days. It was an amazing
Thank you so much
1 hour
for
that we spent with you every day. I'm really going to miss it. I don't know what
all
others.
of us abundantly blessed. And may
Yes.
we learn to glorify him every millisecond of our lives. Jai
Absolutely.
Guruji. Love you,
Jai
Guruji.
Guruji.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Shukrana
Thank you.
Sangatji for joining in. Thank you very, very much. Jai Guruji.